In the last years, the scale of digital design has grown. There are more screen sizes and device types than ever before. But there is also a need for supporting more and more digital products simultaneously with limited resources. A number of companies are working with design systems as a way to help structure digital work. Design systems can help make our products and digital platforms more manageable and consistent. But they can also help us work more efficiently and communicate more clearly. Danfoss is unveiling the new design system. Mosaic. The Mosaic Design System consists of a library of reusable digital design patterns and components and instructions for using them. Mosaic will serve the teams of designers, developers, and product owners while also bringing value to all of Danfoss with this new way of working. But it will also react and update to the needs of the people using it, continuously evolving and improving. Go to mosaic.danfoss.com and have a look for yourself.